Good morning, class. Today we discuss Mendeleev periodic law. A Russian chemist Mendeleev in 1871 arranged all the 63 elements known by that time. The Mendeleev periodic table based on the atomic mass of an element. Mendeleev periodic law states that the physical and the chemical properties of an element are the periodic function of their atomic mass. If elements are arranged in horizontal rows in increasing order of their atomic masses, similarities in physical and chemical properties appear at regular intervals. The repetition of properties at regular intervals is called periodicity. Using his periodic law, Mendeleev arranged 63 elements known till that time in increasing order of their atomic masses in the form of table. This table is known as Mendeleev periodic table. This table consists 12 horizontal rows and 8 vertical columns. 12 horizontal rows are classified into 7 series and vertical columns were named as groups. While arranging elements, it was especially considered that elements having similar properties were placed in the same group. While doing so, some gaps were to be left in the table. Advantage of Mendeleev periodic table is the convenience in the study of property of elements, helpful in determining the correct atomic masses of element. Noble gases could be placed without disturbing the existing order. Some gaps were left for undiscovered elements. Useful in research and discovery of new elements, but it has also some defects. The change in order of atomic masses. It was observed that when all the elements were arranged in Mendeleev periodic table according to atomic masses determined by experiment, a change in increasing order of atomic masses become necessary at some places. Lack of proper position for new elements. Some elements could not be get proper position in the periodic table if placed according to periodic law used. They find place with element of different properties. For example, noble gases, rare earth elements like lanthanide and actinides. Discovery of isotopes and isobars. Discovery of isotopes and isobars. It was confirmed that atomic masses of an element is not its fundamental properties. Thank you.